Hello everyone, and today I have come up with a small video, a short video on the topic how to write synopsis. A synopsis is basically a brief summary of something, a story or a plot or an incident, anything, or even a book. Now the word synopsis originates from Greek language and it is a combination of two words, sun and opsis. Sun means together and opsis means seeing. So together both these words become synopsis. The plural spelling of synopsis is synopsis. It is pronounced in the same way, but the spelling is different. It is synopses. The synonyms of synopsis could be review, outline, summary, précis, etc. So let's begin with how to write synopsis. Let's know what are the do's and don'ts of it, what is the purpose of writing a synopsis, and at the end we will see a small example on this. Let's start with the session. What is a synopsis? A synopsis conveys the explanation of the problem or story, the characters, and how the book or novel ends. It basically summarizes what happens and who changes from the beginning to end of the story. What is the purpose of a synopsis? The purpose of writing a synopsis is to make a shortened version of a book and a brief and quick outline of a story. Now let's understand how to write a synopsis, or what points should you remember while writing a synopsis. The first is that synopsis should be written in the third person. For example, use the words like he, she, it, they, or any name. Second point is keep it short and always write in present tense. The word count should always be between 500 and 700 words unless it's a long synopsis. You should always state the category, like whether it's a literary fiction or romance, science fiction, fantasy, satire, children's story, etc. And at the beginning of the synopsis, set the scene. It helps the reader to visualize when and where the action took place. Then introduce the main character first. Show your characters' emotions and motivations for their actions, and reveal it all, means include all the major twists occurring in the story. Convey your ideas. Make sure that your ideas are well expressed to sell yourself as a writer. Then, at the end, specify the ending properly. Write the synopsis as asked. For example, a synopsis can be in one sentence or in one paragraph, or it could also be a 1 or 2 pages synopsis, or it may be a long synopsis. Then in case of long synopsis, it goes to 3 to 5 pages. There are certain points which you must remember what to avoid in a synopsis. Do not write it in the form of numbered list like an outline. A synopsis is not an outline. Do not include a detailed breakdown of each chapter. Do not include every scene in your story in the synopsis. Do not include most of the subplots. Also, don't include minor characters, and never should you write dialogue in a synopsis. Now let's see why synopsis is important. Without synopsis, audience and readers would never know what something was about before reading or viewing it. Thus, the importance of synopsis is twofold. Firstly, it helps the work get done, and secondly, it helps in reaching out to right audiences. Now let's see a small example of a synopsis on the story of Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill is the story of a boy and a girl who went up a hill together. They go to fetch a pail of water, but unfortunately their plan is disrupted when Jack falls and hits his head, and Jill too rolls back down the hill. That's all I have in this topic today. This topic was actually suggested to me by one of the viewers. If you also have something on your mind on which I can make short videos like this, do suggest them in the comment box. And I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, take care and keep smiling.